Anyway, guys, back with a brand new video today. If you guys cannot tell, I am back at Slippery Rock at SRU. And first video of the semester is a gaming video, but it is freezing out there, and it has been freezing. Gonna make a Forza Horizon 5 ramp jump for you all. Alright, I'm gonna do the Pagani Zonda, however you pronounce that other word, Roadster. I cannot believe I've never done this car. This is one of the faster cars I have in the game. Next clip will be when I'm at the ramp ready to do the jump. Alright, I made it to the ramp. There's a real quick little 360 of the car. If you guys are ready, I think I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I would not say that that was the best result ever, but not one of my worst results. I would say kind of one of my average results. But anyway, I thought that car was a really good idea. I like all of my results as long as it's not like a foot or two off the ramp. As long as it makes it down to the bottom of the hill close to the river or farther than that, then that is what matters. One day, my goal is to get one across the river, but for now that has not happened yet. But I know that day will come eventually, hopefully this winter, because Forza Horizon 6 comes out in May, the middle of May, which I'm going to get that as soon as that comes out. Then we can do some series with Forza Horizon 6, and obviously free roams in that one. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on post notifications to never miss lit everyday Andrew videos like I always say. Gonna be a lot of indoor videos within the next few weeks and probably most of February as well because of how cold it is. But when it warms up, I'll start making my outdoor content again and outside content, which is obviously my favorite types of content to make and stuff. And obviously got guitar videos to make. Probably will be seeing those about once a week, I would say, during the winter months, the colder months of the year, at least until it warms up. But anyway, Everyday Andrew out. Peace.